Hey everybody, it's FutureInventions here with a review of vParticle Plus right here for the iPod Touch and iPhone, and coming soon for the iPad. So let's go into it. I do have the sound on, but I had to turn the music off for copyright reasons. But I can tell you that the music, like everything else in this game, is amazing, and it definitely fits well, and they did a great job making it. So basically this is kind of like a physics game. This is just the main menu, and you can see you have a bunch of particles, and you can tilt to move them around. So first I just want to thank the developers for sending me this app to review, and I have had so much fun with it. It's really an amazing app. I love it so much. And not just because they sent me a free app, but because I really do like it. So here's the main menu. You can go to the Game Center leaderboards, tell a friend. You have the instructions, level select, and options. If you go into instructions, you can see what you're supposed to do. You can go to the next thing. You can see you have to maneuver around obstacles. And this is a really great way to set up the instructions. And I think they did an awesome job with pretty much everything, even the instructions. So first of all, let's go into options. We have a lot of different options, and they're actually very important to the way you want to play the game. So you can turn on and off the music and sound effects here. And auto calibration is a really nice feature. And basically, if you, whatever position you have your iPad in, like say you want to hold it like flat like this, so you're holding it flat. If you go into a level like this, it'll calibrate it like this automatically without asking. If you hold it like this, it'll calibrate that way, and it is really useful. You don't even know it's happening. It's so awesome. Random restart means that if you press the restart button at the bottom of the screen in every level, then every time you restart, it'll change the theme up a little bit. So different things will be different colored, and I'll show you that later, so we'll turn it on. You can also change how many particles are in the sandbox levels, which I'll get to later, the sensitivity. And here, you can also calibrate and reset everything down here. And here is what I think is cool. You can set up your own colors for every different object, and that is awesome. I was like, hey, it should really have your own theme customizing thing, and I go into the option, and what do you know, here it is. So it's really awesome. This one I made myself. I would show you it, but I don't want to get rid of it when I press the random restart button to demonstrate it. So we're just going to use, whoops, not that one. We're just going to use this one. Okay, so let's hit done and go to level select. Now there are tons of levels here. I counted them all. There are 200. It starts you off down here. You can see there's easy, special, challenge, sandbox, and hardcore. So here's easy. There are already 30 easy levels, 40 special levels, and 80 challenge, and tons more stuff. So basically easy is just that easy. Let's go into the first level so you can get an idea of this game. And now you can see I have it in full screen with the iPhone version. That's the only one they have as of right now, and it is actually in HD, full resolution. So you can see, here we go. When you get something in, it makes a sound. And keep in mind that there would be music here. You can also restart the level by going down here. It'll change the theme to something random, as you can see. Also, it'll tell you your time here, what level you're on. You can change the color of your particles, which is really nice. You can make them all kinds of different cool, crazy colors. And you can exit right here. So that was just one of the easier levels. It gets a lot harder with tons and tons of different game elements. So basically, you have to get to this C box in order to get to the E box from the Xbox. So, the Xbox. Get it? No, but I'm kidding. But, anyways, basically, you have to get them all into the checkpoint before you can go to the end point. And, you know, it sounds really hard getting all these particles in, but actually it really, I mean, I'm not saying it's not hard, but it's not frustrating like other apps, because what will happen basically is that, oh, there we go, is that, look, they're in a checkpoint right here, some of them, and even though I'm tilting it all around, they're not coming out, so it gives you an opportunity to bring more that you left behind in. And typically it's 50 of these particles. Then once you get them all in, then you can go to the next one. And it's really cool concept. I love it, and you can see the physics engine is great. And even when like you have all of your balls into a little corner all together, they will still separate. And this is probably due to the fact that they all have a little bit of a different way that they move. So it's kind of random, which is realistic. And I really like that about it. It's such an addictive game, so much fun, and it's totally worth, what, the $3? This is worth a lot more, but please don't raise the price. That's one of the great things about it. Get tons of levels for not much of a bad price. So, also we have special levels. These are just kind of where the developers test out concepts that they have, like different ways they can make challenging levels, different kind of obstacles they can make. I really like this. This kind of, you can see what the developers were thinking a little bit. When you get this game, you'll understand what I mean. So there are 25 particles here. In challenge, you actually, again, get 50 particles. It's just like easy, except harder. And there are also these little dots that you have to collect. And the more dots you collect, you know, the better. We also have sandbox levels. Basically, you can just play around in the level. So let's go into one. There's no end point or anything, and you can see you just play around, and there are like tons of these particles depending on what you put in the settings. So even this is fun. It gets boring after a while, but you know, it's fun. So overall, really cool game. I have only had one problem, and let me see if I can find a level with this in it. We'll just keep looking. But my only problem is, see here, triangles are a little annoying because they're not as smooth. Okay, so I'm back. You can see I have some particles here. They're on this triangle. Even if I tilt like this, they don't, whoops, you can see there's a little bit of glare, but they don't roll on the triangles as well. This is just about the only thing they should fix. You can see it rolls really nicely on the squares, but not on the triangles. So that's my only problem. Other than that, this is an amazing, amazing game. And you can see also there are hardcore levels. They're obviously hardcore. And so that's basically it. Amazing game. I just wanted to add that you can use your iPod, whatever music you want to put on, you can put it on, so you can listen to your own music while you're playing the game. Really, really cool. So this is an amazing game. It will come out for the iPad too, but for now you can still have it 2 times on the iPad, and the levels will still look amazing in HD-ish. So that's it for my review, guys. I love this game. 4.9 I would give it. That's great. Not many of my videos include things that get 4.9. So this is an amazing app. Definitely pick it up. $3. It's totally worth it. Bye.
Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more great videos. Follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/FutureInvent. Check out our Facebook page. It's called the FutureInventions subscriber page. All links will be below in the description. Thanks for watching. Peace.